How to easily submit links in Trello cards. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this boards option, and then in here we'll have to select or open the board where we want to add a link. So in here, once it's open, all we need to do is to tap or open the card, and then after that, we'll have to go on this attachments option. And then in here, you will now see this option, search or paste link. Since I already have a link, all I need to do is to paste it here. After that, tap on the insert option. And as you can see, that link is automatically submitted or attached on this card. So that's how easy we can submit links in Trello cards. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!